Hello, families. My name is Emmy. Today, I want to tell you about my quiet weekend. I like weekends because I can relax and enjoy simple things. My weekends are not very busy, but they are peaceful and happy. Let me tell you about my day. Morning. On Saturday morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. The room is very quiet. I slowly open my eyes and look at the window. Soft sunlight comes into my room. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Good morning, I say to myself. I feel calm and relaxed. I like mornings because everything feels fresh. Starting my day. I get out of bed and walk to the window. I open the window and cool air comes into the room. I can hear birds singing outside. I smile because the weather is beautiful. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. Then I brush my teeth. I look at myself in the mirror and smile again. Today will be a good day, I say. Breakfast. After getting ready, I go to the kitchen. I feel a little hungry. I decide to make a simple breakfast. Today, I make toast and eggs. I also pour a glass of milk. Sometimes I drink coffee, but today I want something light. I sit at the table and start eating slowly. While eating, I look outside the window. People are walking on the street. A man is walking his dog. 2 children are riding bicycles. I enjoy watching the quiet morning. Reading a book. After breakfast, I clean the table and wash the dishes. Then I go to the living room. I love reading books. Reading makes me feel relaxed and happy. I take a book from my bookshelf. It is a book about travel and adventure. I sit on my favorite chair and start reading. The story is very interesting. Sometimes I stop reading and imagine the places in the story. I imagine mountains, forests, and beautiful cities. Reading helps my mind travel to many places. Later in the morning, I decide to go for a walk. I put on my shoes and step outside. The air is fresh and the sky is bright blue. I start walking slowly down the street. I see green trees and colorful flowers. The wind gently moves the leaves. I hear birds and distant voices. Everything feels peaceful. Walking helps me relax and think. At the park. Soon I arrive at a small park near my home. The park is calm and quiet. Some people are sitting on benches. A few people are jogging. I find a bench under a large tree and sit down. I look around and enjoy the view. Children are playing and laughing. A dog runs happily across the grass. I close my eyes for a moment and listen to the sounds around me. The wind, the birds, and the laughter. These small moments make me happy. Afternoon at home. After some time, I walk back home. Now it is afternoon. I feel a little tired, but it is a good kind of tired. I go to the kitchen and make a cup of warm tea. Then I sit near the window again. I slowly drink my tea and watch the world outside. Cars pass by and people talk on the street, but inside my home, everything is quiet and comfortable. Evening time. In the evening, I like to do simple things. Sometimes I watch a movie. Sometimes I listen to music. Today, I decide to write in my journal. I take my notebook and a pen. I write about my day. I write about the morning sunlight, the walk, and the peaceful park. Writing helps me remember happy moments. Night. Soon the sky becomes dark. Stars begin to appear in the sky. I start to feel sleepy. I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face again. Then I go to my room and lie down on my bed. I think about my quiet and beautiful day. I feel grateful for the simple moments. Today was a good day, I whisper. I close my eyes. Slowly, I fall asleep. Thank you for listening. If you like this story, please like this video and please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next story. Bye!